Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screw on the bottom blower cover. The reason why you might have to do this is because the screw is damaged or missing. For this repair, we'll be using a short screwdriver, a 5/16 inch nut driver, and a 1/4 inch nut driver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our dryer that we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind your dryer might be a little bit different than what we've got here, but the same technique should still apply. The first thing you want to do is make sure you turn your gas off. So I'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, and it's our little short stubby guy because we're dealing with an awkward angle and not a lot of space. Now that we've got those screws off, we can tilt the front panel forward and those clips will come right out. And now we're going to carefully set this down. We've still got wires connecting the front bulkhead. So now all we're going to do is just unplug these two wires here. And we can set this bulkhead off to the side. So as you can see here, we're missing a screw. So you can grab your new OEM replacement screw, and if you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So you can see right here, this little tab that goes on the bottom is a little bit loose. The cover for the blower wheel isn't terribly loose because we've got a bunch of other screws in it right now. However, with this loose, when the dryer is running, it could be making extra noise because that's loose. And it's always good to have all the screws that you're supposed to have in there. So we're going to put the new screw in there now, and we're using a 5/16 inch nut driver, and just tighten it all the way, and there we go. Now we can put it back together, and now we can hook the wires back up. So we're just going to make sure that we've got the wires in the same arrangement that they were before. Yellow goes on this side, and the blue one goes on this side. Okay, now go back to the front, and now we're going to want to put the front panel back in place. To do that, we're going to just do the opposite of what we did to take it off. We're going to pick it up and angle it a bit and just tilt it back until you hear both of those clips snap into place. Then you should be able to close it up. And now we can screw the bottom back in. So you're just going to want to make sure your panel's pushed in all the way. And once you do that, you should be able to get your screw started in the hole. There we go. And now we can just screw it back in. There we go. And once that's screwed in, you can plug everything else back in and your repair is complete. And now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.